Impact. Expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Binghamton, Vestal, Johnson City, Endicott, Kirkwood, Conklin, Sanford, Susquehanna, Susquehanna Depot, and Port Dickinson. The National Weather Service in Binghamton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Broome County, southeastern Tioga County, northeastern Susquehanna County, and northeastern Pennsylvania until 3:45 p.m. At 3:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Vestal, or over Endicott, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Binghamton, Vestal, Johnson City, Endicott, Kirkwood, Conklin, Sanford, Susquehanna, Susquehanna Depot, and Port Dickinson. The following is a special weather statement for the following county: Luzerne, Pennsylvania. A cluster of strong thunderstorms will impact portions of southern Luzerne County through 3:30 p.m. At 2:49 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a cluster of strong thunderstorms near East Berwick, or just west of Chickasha, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and pea-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, gusty winds could knock down tree limbs and blow around unsecured objects. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations impacted include Hazelton, Berwick, Nanticoke, West Hazelton, Freeland, Bear Creek, Dorrance, Conemaugh, Nescopeck, and Slocum. This includes the following highway exits: Interstate 80 between 256 and 273. Pennsylvania Interstate 81 between 145 and 159. Interstate 476 near 105. If outdoors, consider seeking shelter inside a building. The following is a special weather statement for the following counties in New York: Broome and Tioga, and Susquehanna, Pennsylvania.
Well, thanks a lot, Binghamton and Mother Nature. Didn't see that coming at all.